Ever seen one of those videos where they're always using pop music? You don't understand why they're doing it without getting a copyright strike. That's what we talk about today. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now, many YouTubers out there use backing tracks. I don't. It's just the wonderful sound of my voice and my man nipples to entertain you. But if you want to use your own backing track, but you don't want to go out your way to spend money on something like Audio Boom, I'm here to show you how you can use popular music without getting a copyright strike. Now, before we deep dive into that, I do want to know, do you use music? Have you ever had a copyright strike or an audio strike where they've either muted the video or claimed the video? Or do you prefer to, just run with whatever audio you create and you vlog and it's not really about the music in the background? Please leave a comment down below. Now, a little unknown source of joy for all of you people that would love to use music in your videos is the YouTube audio library. Now, the YouTube audio library is hidden away in the YouTube Creator Studio. You go down to the bottom left hand corner and you click create, and there it is. It's an archive of music, and it can do absolutely anything you want, really. You've got the cinematic, you've got your funny, you've got your sad, you can do specific genres, so rock or ukulele or just ambient. You can do monk noises, you can do Christmas noises, you can do famous tunes, that kind of stuff. So when it comes to Christmas, you can play Jingle Bells, or when it comes to New Year's, you can have Auld Lang Syne, right? For backing track and music like that. But you'll also notice you can use popular songs within reason. There are a selection of artists that are more than willing to let you use their popular song in your video. All you have to do is follow what they request as part of the license agreement. Some will claim your entire video, but they understand as part of your agreement. Some will want a little line saying who you are and why you're using their track, and it kind of links to them and it gives them, fair use and referencing and credits. And some will even share revenue with you. And those can be even the big boys, right? I swear I've seen a Lady Gaga track on there at one point. All you do is you go in there, you search your specific type by length, by genre, by music type. If you find the track that you like, then you click on the download arrow, and then you can drag that MP3 file, or whatever, I think it's an MP3 or a WAV. You can then drag that into your editing software, do whatever you need to do, but make sure you do what they ask you to do, to give them credit or to mention them in the description. Upload it, and you're done. None of these awkward copyright strikes when you try and use one track online from random, or you upload your own MP3 of, I don't know, Justin Timber Trouser Snake Boy, and you're bringing Sexy back, but all he's doing is copywriting your strike, and you're in struggle. Struggle? A strange idea that my face words things isn't working today, bear with me. But you can pick anything that's within that audio library, do what they request as part of the license, and it's yours to enjoy and to complement your content. But remember, if you ever want to brush up your content, make it a little bit better, sort out your audio, maybe trim it, add cards, there's a playlist up here of wonderful YouTube tricks, hacks and features. But that's how you can use popular music in your videos without copyright strikes. For more tricks and tips, there's a free PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button and that notification icon so you're alerted when my videos go live and when I go live on live streams as well. Go out there, start creating.